Hi, today I'll be showing you two hacks. My first hack is based on Excel. It's going to show you how to freeze specific columns or specific rows on an Excel document. So what I noticed was that I had quite a lot of assessments. So it was assessment 1, assignment 2, test 1, test 2, and so on. But then I also did spot tests, so I had to redo everyone's names so that I could easily put their marks next to it, next to their names, without realizing that this is an option. So rather than adding their names in again, I'm going to delete this column because I don't need it anymore. I'm going to show you how I can actually freeze this row over here. Column. If I wanted to freeze this column, I'm first going to highlight the column, and then I'm going to go to View. And under View, there's a thing called Freeze Panes. I know this is a really simple hack, but I really didn't know about it, and it really has helped me. So I'm going to freeze this column. So it says freeze first column. What happens then is that column remains frozen, and then what's nice is when you're at parents' meeting, you can move on after each assignment. You can speak about the assignment, then you can speak about the test, and their name is still next to it. Again, I can input their marks next to their name. And that just makes sure that I don't make silly mistakes in putting in their names or with their marks. Another way of doing it is, I'm just going to unfreeze. You can easily unfreeze it. Let's just say you wanted this second row to be frozen, so that when I scroll up, I can see what marks is getting inputted for. Is it an assignment or is it a test? So this becomes a little more tricky because all it says is freeze top row or freeze first column. So what you have to do is you have to highlight the row below it. So if I highlight the row below it and then goes to freeze pane, and then you go freeze pane, this means that, as you can see, the top two rows have now been frozen. So I can see that Greg has gotten 87% for the assignment 1, and Greg has gotten 73% for assignment 2, and so on. Okay, I'm going to unfreeze again. Let's just say I want their names to be frozen and for the first 2 rows to be frozen. A little trickier. What you have to do is you have to select one block that is to the right of this column. So that would be this column. So one row column to the right of that column, that's that, and one row that is below this row, and that is this row over here. So which column would that, block would that be? That would be this block over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press freeze pane within that block. What does that do? It freezes their names and it freezes the test item. Is it assignment or is it a normal test? And that's what I wanted to show you with Excel. A quick hack with Word. If you wanted some pages to be landscape and some pages to be portrait, pasting my picture over here, and it has frozen, I realized that it doesn't work out for this. So what you have to do is you have to go into layout. You're going to go into margins, customize margins, and you're going to choose the landscape option because the graph would look better in landscape option when I make it bigger. But the important thing is you have to go selected text. Once you press that, you're going to press OK, and now you have a landscape page, and you can make that graph on a landscape page, whereas everything else will be portrait, as you can see. Thank you so much. 2 very simple hacks.